Hello all, Jamie here from Craftmania, and it is that time once again when we launch some brand new John Next Door dies and reveal what's in our latest top-up delivery from Crafts 2. Now this is quite a big box, I'm going to be honest with you, I can't remember what we ordered. This is a huge box for Crafts 2 for us. Now I have a feeling John's got one new die this week, but I could be wrong, it might be two. I genuinely can't remember. I ordered this a little while ago, and I have a memory like a sieve. But we'll have a little look and see what we can find in here, shall we? Now the box is actually bigger than my trolley. Hadn't caught this one through, have I? Now as always, oh, there's a bit of styrofoam in here. Normally you don't get styrofoam. You have to make a mess on the floor, don't tell anyone. Secrets, we'll just get rid of all of this lot. I love the way they recycle and use all of this stuff though, because it really does cut down on waste, doesn't it? What have we got today? We've even got, is this Lidl? Aldi? Lidl. Bit of Lidl going on. Little bit of Lidl. A bit of Lidl, like that. Okay, get rid of all of that. Like you haven't really, there's a lot of packaging, isn't there? Keep digging. Gonna end up in Narnia at this rate. Okay, let's get rid of all of that lot. I think we're at the bottom of it. We'll get rid of the invoicey bit and we'll see what we can find. So, see if we can get this to see what's in here. It's a workout, isn't it? Okay, so in the box we have got, these are lovely. I love these. These are coming back in stock. These are the Craft Artist albums and they're chipboard albums. I'm even gonna actually, because I want one of these. I'm going to break in so I can show you. These are the chipboard albums, and you're going to find these on the website. I can't remember how much they are at the moment, but they've got 10% off because they're a craft artist item. But they've got all of your pages in them that you can go ahead and decorate very easily. So just adding in your details, your pages, you could work on top of these if you wanted to. And then they've got that kind of clasp aspect to them with a magnet, so they come back together really nicely. You might be able to see the magnets on the front there, but they are a beautiful little album. And what I also like, if you have a little look through it, is you've got height in there to be able to build these pages up. So they can be bumpy pages, they can have a bit of height to them, have a bit of foam tape in there if you wanted to, and you've got room for that. So many times you get an album and it's all squished together and you put too much in it and then it sits there like that and it just looks a bit messy. You don't have to worry about that with these. So those are back. Love them. They're a great little product to play with. Then we've got this style as well. And again, very similar idea. I won't open this one. People have a heart attack. Should have seen the face last time. This one is our chipboard albums, and these are 22 by 15 centimetres. And there are 8 pages within these ones. And instead of having that clasp, you've got the longer booklet instead, or the longer page size instead. Those, again, are coming back in stock. They're a product that's stocked for a while, but there's been a bit of a rush on these. So lots of those coming out of the box of both varieties. These are something new we've just started stocking, but seeing the success of those, we've added in a little bit more kind of journaly scrapbooking materials to the store, and this is one of the items we have added as well. These, again, really ridiculous price, and they've currently got 10% off of them. In here you get your pages. Again, you've got your split rings to build up, and you've got your eyelets already in place on your chipboard pages. So again, you can buy multiples, you can add in as many pages as you want, or you can stick to using the ones that actually come within the pack. But they're a really silly price, they're not expensive at all. Then we dig into the bottom of the box. There is some pine cone VersaFine inks. I know Laura was using those on one of her videos the other day, and they shot out the. And we've also got the glitter brushes back in stock. So these are the clear glitter brushes, the ones with that lovely shimmer to them. And there's 2 of those in each packet. Moving on from them, these have been so popular. If you watch our videos, you will have clocked that every time we do a Crafts 2 unboxing, we are unboxing more and more of the stamping blocks. It's every time we are reordering these, they're going so quickly, and there's more of those coming back in. Then we've got some of the stencils, which go with the matching embossing folders by Nelly. We do a whole range of these if you've not seen them, but this literally matches up with your embossed panel, so you can go in and colour your embossing folder, or of course you can use the folders on their own, you can use the stencils on their own, but they do work together. Now this pile here, I have a feeling is where we're going to find some new John hiding out. So this is gorgeous. Which one's this one? I should know this. This is the notched vines frame. That one's back in stock. My favourite's back in stock. I love this one. This is the Tempest Fugit clock. Always love that one. This is the new one, I remember. This, of course, is brand new, and this is called Daisy Quilt, and this one is launching right now at 6 p.m. today. And as you can see, we've got a bit carried away with these because we have a feeling this one is going to be very popular indeed. There is loads of them, but be quick. Every time we have a brand new John die, we have people who are disappointed. Now, this isn't an official word, and I'm sure they'll surprise us at some stage, but just as a company who kind of stocks a lot of John, I can give you a bit of a warning from how we perceive things. They seem to do one release and it comes out, it sells out. It doesn't seem to be being repeated very often. So if you like the look of this die, I would highly recommend you get it quickly. This isn't us trying to pressurise you into buying them like super fast, more just us saying, when we go back to reorder this when this is gone, it's gone. We cannot get more. And this has happened week after week after week after week with John's releases. And we have people back in stock requesting them, we have them ringing the store, we have them coming in. Always very disappointed. So we really are trying to encourage you. Keep an eye out 6 p.m. on Tuesdays, because that seems to be the time we're allowed to talk about the latest John dies. If you like the look of it, get it ordered when we talk about it. Don't wait till Thursday, because there's a high chance it will be gone. We don't say that with everything, and if we can, we won't ever say that, because I like you to know that you can take your time and give it thought and buy when you want to. But with John, there isn't much dilly-dallying. This is one that did just come out the week before last, I believe. We have managed to get a few more of those in stock. But the circular version that come out with this, the flowers we've had since, the Happy Birthday vertical, there's a couple more as well that have come out recently. They're all gone and we cannot get no more of them. There is also some new press cuts. These are, or not new, sorry, but back in stock press cuts. These are from the Cardmaker collection. There's a few in that collection. We have all of them available, but this one is once again returning. Then we move on. What else do we have in the box? We've got our triple action cleaning tools. So this is the one that's got the roller at the top. It has the sides here, the two little notches on the sides. One brings down a needle to do all your poking out, and then the other side brings down a spatula so you can go around and release that die cut from inside that die. These genuinely are brilliant tools. They come in super, super handy. And again, you'll find them on the website with 10% off. You'll find them in the store with 10% off. So it's a good time to get hold of them. Then we move on. What have we got next? We have got Press to Impress stamp presses. Now this is the limited edition stamp press from Crafts 2. These again constantly fly out the door, hence why we've got a few more of these just come in. I know lots of you have been asking questions after seeing Laura use these on the Sunday showcases. Very, very, very good stamp presses. There's another trio of those coming back in. And then on top of that, we have got some of the Craft Artist card. And there is Ruby and there is Chocolate coming back in stock. Now, Craft Artist card, we do loads of Craft Artist card. From Mirror card, through Linen card, through packs of card. There is loads of choices today. So again, check out the website if you want to see more of them, including more colours in that one. And then another thing that keeps selling out are our A3 cutting mats. You will have seen these on many of our unboxing videos recently. On one side they are this beautiful vibrant pink. On the reverse they are in black, and that can be super handy because it depends on what colours you're working on, what items you're working with. Some things are going to shine up better on the black side, some are going to shine up better on the pink side. It gives you that ability to actually work on both sides. Maybe if you're like me, you're going to use one side of your cutting mat for glues and paints, and you're going to use the other one to keep it nice and fresh so you can cut it without any lumps and bumps from your glues and your paints where they've dried on them. So it's just a different way to use them, but those again are now back in stock. We also do these in an A4 variety if you would prefer a slightly smaller size. And that completes all of the goodies which are in today's Crafts 2 delivery. Now, I know that a lot of you are going to want to know where to get hold of that brand new John Next Door die. That, of course, will be under the new section on the website. All of the other bits, you will find them under the back in stock sections or under their brand pages. Or, of course, for instance, if it's an ink pad, under ink pads. If you have any questions, if you can't find some of the items that you've just seen us unbox, you know we've got them. Pop it in the comments. We'll do our very best to find a link for you. Or, of course, you can use the search bar on the top of the website. Now, you can, of course, come in store and shop with us here at Craftmania, which is located at Craftmania is at 5 Hewett Road, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. And, of course, it'd be lovely to see you in store. We're open from 10 a.m. till 5 p.m. 7 days a week. And we're located on Gapton Hall Industrial Estate. And that's great because it means we've got parking outside so you can pull up. It also means we've got a jolly great inspiration room full of ideas that you can, of course, come and have a little look around as well. And if you're watching this when it goes up today on the Tuesday, Don't forget, this Saturday is demo day. So our inspiration room is going to be chock full of inspirational demonstrations by myself, Gwen Fletcher, and Francois Reed. So if you'd like to come and join us for our free demo day, you're welcome to attend anytime between 10 and 4. Just pop in for 5 minutes or come and stay all day. The choice is yours, and walk around the table watching the demos throughout the day. We would love to have you here. Now, of course, all of these items we're talking about on the website. Of course, you can order online. How does that work? What was your P&P rates? That's the bit you want to know, isn't it? So anytime you spend over £15 and you're shopping here with us in the UK, your P&P will be completely free. So you're not going to pay a penny. Spend £15, free P&P. If you wish to, you can upgrade to first class P&P for a flat rate of £3.95. If you wish to spend less than £15, then of course you're welcome to as well. There is a flat rate of postage for £2.95, meaning that you can shop at any level you wish to. Every time you shop with us in store and online, you're also going to receive Inner Circle reward points. And that's a great way for you to collect your points, build up through the tiers, and get even bigger savings. If you're watching this video from around the world and thinking, well, it's covered UK P&P, but what about me? Can I order? The good news is we send to the majority of the world. If you'd like to know more about that, pop onto the website. Under the customer service tab, you will see postage and packing. Give that a little click and it will tell you how our international shipping works for you and your area. The good news is P&P is always capped at £10 wherever you are in the world. And that means that if we find your postage cheaper than £10, we will refund you the difference. If it costs more than £10, here at Craftmania, we will actually pay that for you. It's just our way of trying to make P&P as friendly to everybody wherever you are in the world and trying to help you out with those costs. If you have any questions, once again, pop them in the comments. I'll be here to answer them for you. Thank you very much for watching today's unboxing video. I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon for our next one. Bye for now.